Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how I design a logo for a pickleball club. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by opening my Notion workspace. This is where I keep all information related to my project. So here's a creative brief. This helps me understand the brand's personality, target audience, and the overall direction for the logo. This step is very important because it helps add strategy to design rather than making something that just looks good. So let's start reading the creative brief. The name of the brand is Hype Pickleball Club. Hype is a pickleball club focused on bringing people together through sports. We're not just building a court, we're creating a lifestyle. The objectives are to create a unique logo, make the club feel premium but fun and approachable, appeal to both serious players and social players, ensure the logo works across digital and physical applications. The target audience is age 18 to 35, young professionals and students, social, active, lifestyle driven individuals. The brand personality is energetic, bold, fun, modern, confident, social, and youthful. Now that I've gotten a clear idea of the brand, I'm going to move on to the next stage, which is creative direction. For research, I mainly use Pinterest and Behance. Some key things I look for are logo design, color palette, typography, and photography references. Now that I've gotten some great references, I'm going to move on to the next stage. Creating a mood board helps define the overall look and feel of the brand. To create the mood board, I start by using the rectangle tool. I click on the artboard and set the size to 1060 by 1060 pixels, then align the shape to the artboard. Next, I go to Object, Path, Create Grid. I set the grid to 3 columns and 3 rows and set the gutter to 10 pixels. I then use the Direct Selection tool to click on the corner points and round the corners of each square. Next, I drag in the image I want to add to the mood board. Send the image to the back using Command Shift open bracket. Then select both the shape and the image and press Command 7 to create a clipping mask. Now I'm going to start filling the mood board with the rest of the images. So here's the final mood board. As you can see, I'm going for a visual direction that's fun and modern. For the logo, I've decided to add a sans serif style font to keep it clean, bold, and sporty. And the color palette is bright, energetic, and playful, which reflects the spirit of pickleball. Now that the mood board is ready, we can finally start designing. For the logo, I want to create a custom typeface by subtly integrating the pickleball paddle without making it too obvious. This helps keep the logo unique while still feeling clean and professional. Once the primary logo was complete, I went ahead and created alternate versions. Here is the stacked version, and here is the logo mark. Having multiple logo variations helps the brand stay consistent across different platforms. Now that the logo suite is ready, it's time for my favorite part, which is add color. So I've chosen green, black and white as the brand colors. The green is vibrant and acts as the brand's pulse, energetic and impossible to miss. I've paired this with black to ground the brand with a sense of premium, authority and grit. The white keeps everything clean and balanced. Now that the logo is complete, it's time to see the brand in action. So here's the final logo and visual identity for Hype Pickleball Club. This project was all about creating something modern, bold, and exciting while keeping it clean and versatile. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.